The owners of 708 Bar and Grill and representatives of the city of Huntsville faced a Madison County Circuit Court judge today to listen and make their case on the fate of the establishment. The city shut the bar down, citing unsafe conditions at the location. Our Archie Snowden was at that hearing this morning. So, Archie, what did the judge say after listening to those arguments?
Well, Ben, the judge did not make a rule on whether it was enough to reopen the bar, but he did warn both parties to expect something immediately, but it was not clear when that date will be.
Supporters of the owners of 708 Bar and Grill file out of the courtroom after Judge Ruth Ann Hall did not rule on the fate of the bar. After hearing arguments from both the bar's attorney and the representatives of the city of Huntsville, the judge listened to consideration that would allow the bar to reopen after a temporary injunction was filed following a lawsuit by the city. The suit alleges disorderly conduct, gun-related violence, and drug activity. Attorneys for the city of Huntsville filed its formal response on Monday to oppose any efforts to reopen 708.
The city didn't want us to get up and talk about it. I thought that's what it's supposed to be, us, talking about what's going on.
708 owner Malcolm Gopher says that bolting the doors to his business has been unnecessary. He contends that city officials have ignored his plea for police presence, similar to other establishments around the city.
You block off a whole street downtown for Sammy T's and the Whiskey Barrel, whatever the name of it is downtown, and make sure people are safe. But in our neighborhood, you don't make sure the people are safe. I want to know what's the difference.
Gopher says that the temporary injunction has taken a heavy financial toll on his business while missing out on the festivities surrounding the Alabama A&M University homecoming.
It's the biggest weekend of the year for a black vendor. But records show that they come every time doing homecoming every year.
Now, the city told the judge that the 708 owners and their attorneys failed to appear at a preliminary injunction hearing despite advance notice. The bar attorney claims that they missed that hearing due to a scheduling error.